In the chaos of modern warfare, seconds define survival. When rockets rain from the sky, one system stands between destruction and defense: Israel's Iron Dome 2.0. Faster, smarter, and deadlier than ever, it's the evolution of a legend. This upgraded system doesn't just intercept missiles, it predicts, adapts, and learns. With artificial intelligence at its core, it can now face mass barrages and complex multi-directional threats. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the new Iron Dome 2.0, a defense shield reborn for the modern battlefield, where technology decides who prevails and who falls. The Iron Dome 2.0 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, this version integrates new radar arrays, enhanced launchers, and AI-driven interception algorithms. It can now detect incoming rockets, drones, and artillery shells with astonishing speed and precision. Working in sync with David's sling and arrow systems, it forms Israel's three-layered defense network, a fortress in the sky. From Gaza's borders to the Red Sea, this shield protects millions. Each launch isn't just a countermeasure, it's a message: Israel is always watching, always calculating, always ready. But behind every explosion of light in the sky lies a deeper story: the constant race between offense and defense. As enemy weapons grow faster and more unpredictable, the Iron Dome 2.0 stands as a symbol of resilience and adaptation. It's not just defending cities, it's defending the idea that innovation can save lives. In a future where drones swarm and hypersonic threats loom, this system represents a new kind of warfare, one fought by algorithms, precision, and human courage. The Iron Dome 2.0 doesn't promise peace, but it ensures that when war comes, Israel will be ready.